How to find Snapchat account by phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about whether it is possible to find Snapchat account by phone number. So Snapchat does not offer a direct way to search for accounts by phone number, but here are some tips to find someone using their phone number. So how to do that? You need to go ahead and sync your contact. For that, open your Snapchat application, log in with your correct ID and password, and also make sure that you've given permissions to the app and the app is on the latest version. Now, once you do that, go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and go to the friends section. Tap on add friends option and then tap on all contacts or find friends. Allow Snapchat to access your contact. Snapchat will show you which contacts have linked their phone number to their Snapchat accounts. You can also search and add friends. Go ahead and tap on add friends option. And here, go ahead and enter the person's phone number, including the country code in the search bar. And if the number is linked to a Snapchat account and the user allows being found by phone number, their profile will appear. Note that users can choose to hide their account from phone number searches for privacy. If the user has disabled phone number lookup, you won't be able to find their account this way. Snapchat does not let you search by phone number anonymously, only your synced contacts. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.